It's Disney Day! It's so early. Hey Landon, where are we going?
Disney.
Is it Disney Day?
Yep.
Phil forgot his carry-on with the passport, so we're late. We had to go back home. Phil, you know you're never gonna live this down. We did. Are you gonna sleep on the plane?
No.
Yeah.
There's the control tower.
There is something
Has lights on.
it's a leap of
Are you
faith.
gonna see Daddy's where?
Step away from the comfort zone and be a little brave.
There it is.
That lift off?
Take a look
Yeah.
around you. How far can you see? How far do you think you can run? Standing on your knees. It's a beautiful world out there. Just don't pass on the dare.
Listen, we're gonna get an Uber. I want you to close your eyes for the Uber. Say yes, Mommy.
No, Mommy.
Beautiful world out there. It can be a bit frightening. It's something you don't know. You need a little enlightening. It'll make you grow. It's a beautiful world out there. Just don't pass on the dare. If you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out
I
there.
asked for a room because she is a feral child, so we have a room near the Skyliner.
Just don't pass
crazy.
on the dare.
Hopefully we can get a nap,
Have the
right?
will and a moment to spare. It's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there. Oh, if you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there.
Well, hello there.
Hello.
Landon, you have your own special bed. Pull down her bed so she can jump in it, Dad.
Yep, let me get that off.
You know what I mean? Watch.
Let's check this out.
Who is it?
Oh, cool. Okay.
Lazy Mickey. This is pretty.
And also the fridge, it's gonna be actually right here. I said right in the side. I know the fridge.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes it can be in there, it can be in this one. But
Okay.
I know it is right there, the fridge.
Very
And
nice.
hair dryer and iron, save, coffee makeup, we do it right away. Perfect. Awesome. Enjoy it, folks.
Thank you so much.
Guys,
Hey guys,
Yeah.
movies. Babu.
Oh, no, we're turning everything off and we're closing eyes, okay? Yeah, we need to get a nap in.
Everything off? No way. I'm just gonna jump around and have fun.
Did you hear her? Insane.
Ah,
A little safe. Well, it's nice.
here.
Yeah.
So we'll get the job done. That's a little rough there. Can't believe that guy worked here for 26 years. This does not look remodeled. That's kind of janky.
Anyway.
You're exhausted. Oh, we need to put your amoxicillin in here. We had a 1:20 Tepanato reservations, which we were really excited about, but I had to cancel it sadly. Landon was literally feral, crazy. She had 5 hours of sleep. She was like overtired, would not settle down. We spent 45 minutes trying to settle. She wanted to sleep under the bed. Like trying to get her to settle down. Read her books. I had to trap her. I was like, all right, you get on one side, I'm gonna get on the other. We're gonna trap her. And then boom, she was out. So Phil fell asleep with her as well. I only got 5 hours sleep, but I'm too excited to sleep, I think, and I need to get organized. And it's worked out well anyways because it's really raining outside. It should stop in an hour. So let them sleep. I'm gonna run out, get like creamer for my coffee in the morning and snacks for the room because we're all hungry, and water for her Yeti. I'm gonna see what I can get last minute for dinner tonight at EPCOT. So come along with us to EPCOT, and it's gonna be a holiday Christmas EPCOT day. I'm pretty sure Riviera is closer. We're kind of like halfway in between, so I'm gonna go to Riviera. Coffee was so good. I absolutely love the little French cafe there. I got half and half, which is a first at a Disney resort. Some ham, some puffs, an apple. Oh, and a big water. So that should tie us over for 24 hours till we get on our cruise. Have I told you it's like a dream vacay? It's a dream vacay. It is very cold out, so I am wearing t-shirt, jean jacket, and this with my Santa ears and my red lounge fly and my Crocs, but I'm going to be bringing socks for my Crocs. Wait, I have to show you the back. They are still sleeping. It's almost been an hour and a half. I think I have to wake her up. I canceled Tapenado and got Space 220. She's gonna love it. But if she sleeps longer than an hour and a half, she won't go to sleep tonight. I'm the one with 5 hours sleep. I'm gonna be dying soon.
Sunglasses, probably.
Yeah, it's still kind of cloudy. Off to EPCOT. All the wait times are so insane, so it's gonna be like a snacky eating day. Look, land in the Skyliner. The wait times are insane. I feel like you have to be like a major Disney fan to be here this week. Or like you show up and don't know. You're just like, oh, I'll take my kids to Disney.
I'm extremely hungry.
Oh yes, I'm starving.
I don't think I've eaten anything other than like half.
Some nugs.
I had some Cheerios, I had some Skittles.
I had yogurt and some hash browns, but we've been up for how many hours?
So,
Almost 12 hours.
Yeah. I did eat those 2 nuggets. That's right.
And all that vodka.
And I had a nice screwdriver.
The 3 Caballeros is 30 minutes. Backside of France. Wow, the line for Ratatouille is insane. Exactly 2 o'clock. Look at that, Phil. Go, Lana, go.
No, it's go. No, it's go, baby, go.
See, it's just like a little wet tickle. You're doing such a good job. See? You like it?
Wow. You have to be real careful, okay?
I didn't know what they look like. They grabbed them. I was like, is she going to get the chickens? They're like, they're right there.
Oh, good. They're like human. Want to try it? The sangria is pretty good. What is it? Blackened catfish?
Mom.
Why? Why?
Hey, Dad, look at Mom.
She's got the cute ears on.
No, she wanted me to take a sip.
It's really good. It's blackened. It's got a good spice to it.
Like New Orleans?
Mm-hmm.
How's your apple, Landon?
Tastes like eating a baby.
The walls are down, Phil. Can you believe it?
Most of us.
That looks so good. That's a lot of greenery. This seems a little underwhelming, right? Those things are kind of weird. Those rusty things.
Yeah.
Oh, there's Daisy. She's over in the rusted tree area.
I want to say hi. It's fake mom.
They make a noise? Hey, go slow. Go. Good job. Wow. That's pretty. All right, I think Tafiti's up here. We're gonna see Tafiti.
Even though my legs are wet.
Oh no, Landon. Good thing your mommy brought extra clothes. You see Tafiti? Wow. So pretty. So neat. See her touching the wave? See the shell on his face? See his two claws? Oh, look, it's the cockamora. Look at the cockamora over there. Moana was okay, and my daughter's soaking wet, and her shoes. Thanks, Moana. Thanks. Space 220. Are we buying a new pair of shoes? Bye, EPCOT.
Space elevator design and technology. Today, you'll have a spectacular.
Mom said you've been here before?
Yes.
Mind the step.
Wow. I see astronauts already.
Anything here?
That's what I was going to say. How about this?
Wow. That's perfect. Jump on in. Thank you.
Here's my red crayon.
I don't know, babe. What is it doing, do you think? Is it docking? It's the Laws family in space.
Here, come down to Earth.
Looks pretty. Your Caesar's gorgeous.
This is the holder. And
It
it's
is gorgeous.
bouncy back.
Yeah? Let me see your computer.
These are my screen to keep watch of Earth.
Of Earth.
Second.
Yes.
So fancy, Phil. Woo! So it's crab stuffed lobster?
Yeah.
Wow. That's very fancy, honey.
Dad, that side.
And I got space steak. Where are we going tomorrow?
Disney Cruise.
Are you so excited?
Yes, this time I hope we don't miss the Saturday party.
Yeah.
we don't
We got locked out of our cabin last time.
It was very frustrating.
It was. Okay, gentle, gentle. Is it space ice cream? Phil, this is watching you do her hair.
It's out of her face.
Is it? Is it out of her face?
It's
Oh my
not
gosh.
It's not great.
No.
Imagine if you'd never done a woman's hair before.
No, I know. It's difficult.
One day you were asked to do it all the time.
I know. All the time. Twice a year.
My daddy turtle wheel. That's my daddy boat.
So pretty at night. No way! Let's go orbit the Earth, Landon. Look at test track, Phil. Looks so cool.
I'm on the moon.
You're an astronaut.
Asia, Europe, and back home to Florida. You're gonna love it.
I'm gonna orbit the Earth. Ready, pilot? With your booster seat?
Here are your assignments. Navigator, you'll be adjusting the pitch of the X2 if necessary, and firing thrusters for your descent.
I'm gonna thrust.
Pilot, on my signal, I'll need you to trigger for stage separation.
Trigger for stage separation.
You'll also be triggering the landing.
Oh yeah, it's like coordinated with the ball.
Yeah.
That's really cool. I don't know this song. The only ride of the day.
Only ride of the day.
Just keep swimming.
Just keep swimming.
It is time to go up Three Caballeros because it's only a 5-minute wait now. It's almost 7:30. And it's lit up like a Christmas tree. Frozen lemonade. 60-degree weather, frozen lemonade. It's a big tree. Don't they know
Walked in that camera.
I wonder what Grumpy thinks.
You say walk on?
Walk on.
What do you think the grumpy guy's saying?
I don't know.
He's saying, do not enter.
What else is he saying?
This is not for the faint of heart.
What else is he saying?
You are not a duck. Don't you dare.
What else is he saying?
Have the best time ever. It's too late. Oh, it's Grandma. Oh, yes. I don't know. Back to Caribbean Beach Resort. Maybe for a little snack first at Riviera because I'm a little hungry.
Yeah.
I can suffer through it and just go to bed though.
I'm a little bit hungry.
You're a little hungry? Okay, hold on. Face forward.
Bye.
Woo!
Bye-bye,
Oh my gosh, it's chilly.
Bye.
Bye, Epcot.
Bye-bye.
See you in a week.
Smell you later, Epcot.
Hey! Smell you later, stinky cat.
Last
I
time.
just taught you a valuable goodbye.
Did you have a good day?
Except for forgetting the bag. I had a good day.
Yes, which I was like an hour delay. Phil forgot the carry-on with his passport. Oh, we stayed at the Caribbean Beach Resort. What did you think of that? Like everything was $1,000 a night, and I was like, this is $380. It's one night to be here before the cruise. It's on the Skyliner. I think it was a good decision. It's not very nice. The room. I don't like the room.
It's not very nice. The beds are comfortable.
It's subpar.
I would never come back.
To Caribbean Beach.
Yeah, like even.
It seems amazing to me. The bedroom's the best. The bed's the best.
Like
Every single part of the bedroom was awesome. My mom and daddy wrote, it's awesome. So on second diarrhea.
Don't you think it was a good decision?
grudgingly because we're only here for one night.
Yeah, well, one night. I don't.
I just don't ever want to have to.
No, the room is not great. The mermaid rooms that we stayed in last year were so much better.
The food's like 1,000 miles away.
Yes.
Everything's like 1,000 miles away.
True story.
And we have
The mermaid hotel that I stayed in was the worst. Hold on a second.
You don't see the tower.
Got that wrong. Again.
Tomorrow we're gonna go on the Disney Wish, everyone. Who's excited?
Me.
All right.
Happy New Year, everyone.
Happy New Year. Lana got a magnet.
Diarrhea.
Lana got a magnet shoulder dragon, and she's really into poop and diarrhea. It's weird they don't pipe in the music here.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.